Hello everyone, Coach Carole with you on the 24th of January with livecast number 24. Today is all about using images, and I want to share a couple of tips with you today about how you can enhance your ancestral stories with smart images. One of my favorite online repositories and a really great place to make my images is Canva. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you how to create a simple image for your next story. I've logged into my Canva account, as you can see here, at canva.com. And I will now ask it for a template to help me with the next thing that I'm going to design, which is a book cover. So clicking into the book cover, Canva will then bring up a number of different templates that I could use. And just waiting for them to come into view. And I can scroll through till I find one that appeals to me. And as my brand colors are teal, I quite like this one over here, which I know I can change to reflect my story. So this is how I did that. Here is the teal template. I'll just bring that down a little bit so you can see the whole thing. And it's quite a simple design with some text and a picture in the middle. So I first copied that by clicking on the duplicate page and created my own page here. So all I did was change the text, the image, and add another image of myself. And that came out pretty well. One of the really good things about using images in Canva is that you can get rid of the background. So for example, let me show you if I duplicate this one and take that picture away, I'll show you how I did that. So I go to my uploads to find that picture of me and make it smaller. And now I just want to make that look as though there's no background on my picture. So with the picture highlighted, I go to Edit Image and then use this wonderful tool called the Background Remover. And we'll give it a few seconds and it will then remove the background. You can then adjust the size of your picture to suit what you have on your screen. Make that a little smaller and change that to the left side. And so that's how I created that first one. I then went a step further and thought about, what if I was writing a mystery story? So I wanted a new template, and this one appealed to me, called the Blackwoods Mist. So once again, I duplicated the image and created this one. And this time the only extra image that I placed was one of myself, and I changed the title and the byline. So when you have those in place, you download them. So you go to the download at the top right and you select the format of the file. In this case, I want just a JPEG. And I select the page, which is, let me just see what page this is, page 5. Do that again. JPEG from page 5. If I don't choose a single page, it will actually think you want all of them and will gather them all up into a collection. But for the moment, I just want page 5. So select that one, click done and download. And then place it into your file system by giving it a name. As I already have one there, I'll just give that an extra number. And now I have that picture ready to use either as a book cover itself or directly into my blog post or as an image in a social media post. And they are wonderful to create that extra engagement with your audience. So I'll stop sharing and come back to the screen. So Canva can be your best friend. It is mine. I use it nearly every day to help enhance any of my ancestral stories. If you would like to see more of these as I've used them, you can go to my blog at the genealogystoriesonline.blog, and you'll see how I've been using the Canva images there. And if you want all of these in one place, I invite you to go to my YouTube channel, which you can find at coachcaroleonline.com/YouTube channel. I hope you've enjoyed this little tip on how you can enhance ancestral stories with smart images, and have a look at Canva. If you don't have an account, go and grab one. I hope that you will come back and see the second part of this tip on enhancing images, as I have another surprise for you, a second one for today. So come back later and find out more. Bye for now.